'Twas 4 days till Christmas, but I'm no longer worried. I found a garage, I don't need to hurry. It has many cases, all just so right. One more each day, what a wonderful sight. So Merry Casemas to all, I hope they delight. For the 9th day of Casemass, my workbench gave to me a compression tester set. So what this is, as we open it up here, is used for testing the compression on a vehicle. And what's meant by compression is effectively when the piston within the cylinder goes on its upstroke, it's compressing the air and fuel mixture in that cylinder. And if there's any fault in the vehicle, say a blown ring or bad head gasket or burnt valves, when it tries to compress, most of that pressure will escape. And so you get a low compression reading, and that can tell you whether your engine is healthy or not. Most vehicles, just ballpark, usually on the compression stroke will have somewhere in the 100 to 200 PSI range in the cylinders. So quite a lot of pressure when it's at the top of its compression stroke. And what this gauge will let you do is actually read that pressure. So you have a couple of different adapters here, and these screw into the spark plug holes. So you pull out your spark plug, you turn off your fuel pump, so usually by pulling a fuse or something like that. And then with this in place of the spark plug, you crank the engine and it's going to read how much pressure is built up within that cylinder over that time period. And it comes with some extra valves and seals as well, and different adapters. These will fit onto the ends of those. Different adapters for different spark plug thread sizes. So we have something here that's a M18, that looks like an M12, and an M10 here, as well as the two that are directly on the testers themselves. So they also have a little Schrader valve in the end of these, which prevents the pressure from escaping back into the cylinder as you're testing it. And so what you'll do is you'll take one of these, thread it into the cylinder that you're testing, take the actual tester out here. These will connect on the end like this. So they're connected there. And then as you're starting the engine and the compression's building up, this will read whatever that pressure is. And then you can release the pressure with the little button at the end here. So as one of the first ways that you can check whether an engine is healthy, like I said, with either a bad head gasket or bad rings or a damaged valve or anything like that, or a sticking valve, this is the diagnostic tool that you would typically use for those cases. So for the 9th day of Casemass, this was a compression tester kit. One case done and another day closer. Become a subscriber, don't miss another. Merry Casemass to all, and we'll see you tomorrow.